How to quickly know if someone unfriended or blocked you on Snapchat. So, in order to quickly determine if someone has unfriended or blocked you on Snapchat, then make sure to follow all the steps on this video. For that, first of all, make sure that you watch the video till the end so that by the end of the video you will know how to do it. So, firstly, update your app so that you don't have any issues when you check if someone unfriended or blocked you on Snapchat. For that, go ahead and open Play Store or App Store, then search for Snapchat. If you see update button, tap on update and update your app. Once it is done, select open button and open your Snapchat app. Then you will proceed towards this camera section. The first step that you need to check is you need to check your friends list. For that, tap on Bitmoji icon at the top left corner of the screen. Then on this page, you have to scroll all the way down and select My Friends. So on this My Friends section, you just have to search for that person's name in your friends list. If you think they have blocked you or unfriended you on Snapchat. So if you search for their name and if they don't appear on this list, then they may have unfriended or blocked you. So as you can see that I have searched for this particular username but it is not appearing, then it might be that they have unfriended me or blocked my account from their Snapchat account. And then the second thing you have to do it, you need to search for their username. For that, select the search icon at the top left corner of the screen and easily search their username again. As you can see, no results is shown. That means they must be or probably they have unfriended me or blocked my profile from their Snapchat as there is no results of this username. So the ultimate thing you need to do is check your Snap score. For that, let's open the chat and then go to profile at the top of the screen. As you can see that instead of the Snap score and the birthday, we see the option to add. That means that they have definitely unfriended or blocked my Snapchat account from their account. So if you see their Snap score, then probably they might not have unfriended or blocked you. But we don't see here the Snap score, that means we have been unfriended or blocked by them. So that is the way you check if they have unfriended or blocked you on Snapchat. So that's it for today. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.